Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of GPS signal not found on the application of Pokemon Go. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pokemon Go and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to fix your problem, or to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your